South Africans are under tremendous financial pressure and they are looking for something legit. I was also there once, and that is why I joined DealPoint in May 2022. Because I wasn't looking for something that's going to promise me false quick wins and quick money, but something that's going to help me to build an asset over the long term. Does DealPoint work? Yes, it does, but only if you are willing to put in the hard work, time, effort, and consistency. DealPoint rewards its wealth engineers with possible cash rewards, holidays, and cars. So I'm not here to give you any false promises or any guarantees, and I'm not going to hype you up, and I'm also not going to put you under pressure. Why do I stay with DealPoint? Because it rewards my effort and I can build my asset over time. If you have ever considered joining DealPoint and you're not sure how to get started, ask your questions in the comments and I will answer you honestly.